Welcome to Curve Nova 2.0. Today we're featuring Camila Patinho, a rising Colombian fashion and bikini model, cosplayer, digital creator, TikTok star, and brand influencer known for her Camila Patinho account. Born on February 9, 1998, in Pereira, Colombia, Camila is 26 years old and represents the Aquarius sign. She studied at Universidad Tecnológica de Pereira and began sharing her content on Instagram in April 2021, quickly growing 2 pages with over 429,000 followers combined. Camila is also active on Facebook and TikTok, with 121,000 and 90,000 followers, respectively. She shares a mix of modeling, cosplay, lifestyle, and exclusive content, connecting personally with fans and sharing her adventurous travels to countries including the UAE, France, and the USA. Standing 5 feet 6 inches 167 centimeters and weighing 60 kilograms 132 pounds, Camila flaunts a slim thick figure with measurements of 37-29-45 inches, 93-73-114 cm, brown hair, and striking blue eyes. Single and proudly Latin, Camila continues to grow her online influence and inspire fans worldwide with confidence, beauty, and creativity.